Hey guys, and welcome back to Thick Peach. Y'all, I know I didn't upload, but anyways, I did have a video, but while I was editing, it didn't come out right, so I just kind of trashed that video. But I have a haul video, you guys. I actually did already do a haul video, but I haven't edited it yet, so I'm still gonna upload that video, but I'm also gonna do this one. So this one's gonna be up first. Happy spring. Oh my goodness. Happy fall, you guys. Today is the 22nd of September. I said today, but it's actually nighttime when I'm filming this. Cause I had quite a day and quite a great nap today, okay? All right. So for those of you that don't know, I work basically full time, but I only work 3 days a week outside the home. And then I have 4 days off, so I had a good sleep in. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this haul video. Okay, so I watched a video about how everyone's been talking about the store Ollie, and going crazy because a lot of Joann items are at Ollie. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't need no Cricut supplies. I don't need none of that. I was going in to see, first of all, I haven't been to the store in over 3 years. And I want to see what kind of, sewing, quilting situation they have there. Well, let me just show you what I got. I have a bag here, okay, put it in the bag. But I'm going to tell you what I picked up from Ollie's. I picked up this Black & Decker glossy spray paint in dark blue. I guess the original price was $5.98. I got it for like $4.99. So I just got some blue spray paint. You're gonna see this in an upcoming video with me using this. And what else did I got? I also got these needles for my Singer sewing machine. I got these as well. They're the same kind. And I'm happy I got 2 of them, so I can put them to the side. What else? And I also got these cute little craft scissors. So if you're like a crafter like I am, they have these little scissors there for $1.99. Super duper cute. That's all I basically found at my Ollie's. That was like 10 minutes down the street from me. I didn't drive to the other 2 that I know of. I should have, but I didn't. So let me show you what I picked up from Hobby Lobby last week. One of them will be in an upcoming video because I'm planning on making it tonight. I picked up some Wrap and Zap 100% cotton batting. What else? This is from Hobby Lobby, okay? I picked up some black cotton thread and some white cotton thread. And then this morning I happened to look in my stash and I realized I have from the brand Coats and Clark. This was sold at Joann's when I bought it. That I already had cotton thread here. So I have like 3 of this black and white one, black, white, and gray. And then I have this one here. This one is red, white, and blue, I think. And it's 100% cotton. And I think I might use this for the project I'm going to do instead of this right here. So I already have this in my stash. I picked up a scissors sharpener from Hobby Lobby. A glue stick because I couldn't find mine. And some extra, a glue gun, okay, hot glue gun and glue sticks. Today, I picked up this loop turner. I also picked up, which I cannot find, but is to help me with my elastic. It's a bodkin. but I don't know where it's at right now, okay? But it came with that. I also picked up this invisible thread. I wanted to try this out, you know, try it out. And I needed a new one of these, so I also picked up this double-sided marking pen. Purple disappearing ink is air and water soluble. So I think the blue side is the water and the purple is the air. What I also picked up today from Hobby Lobby was, and they had 40% off. I picked up this, it's a 1 inch by 6 inch little ruler. I also picked up this 2.5 by 2.5 inch little square ruler. Now what I got from Amazon, okay. Y'all, I can't stay off of Amazon, but I really need to. Okay, I picked up these little things here. I will show you what they're basically quilting guards. It's a universal sewing accessory. It came in a 2-pack. I thought it was just one, but it came in 2. Something else came. What did I do with it? Is this right here? Okay. What didn't come with it? I also bought this. I guess I got this last week because this came today. I picked up this ruler, you guys, with the edges, and I still gotta pull the film off, but it has the different angles and stuff for sewing. I also picked up fabric, but that will be in my haul video I already filmed, so I'm gonna put that video up too. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I have some content to make for you guys. But if you guys are curious on what I am going to be making, like I already have one pin, the other one's not pinned, it's right here. Then be looking out for the next video. Make sure you're subscribed, you like this video. Leave me a comment if you like, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.